A quick tutorial for the bass line of You're Wondering Now by the Specials. The song was originally recorded by Andy and Joey back in 1964 and has since been covered by the Specials, Amy Winehouse, the Scatterlights, and was also used as the theme music for the TV series Death in Paradise. This tutorial is based on the Specials version and in the key of A major. The song's got a simple form with a pickup at the beginning into an instrumental solo, a two-line chorus, a bridge and then a one-line chorus. This is then followed by an instrumental chorus, another bridge, then another chorus, and then finally an a cappella chorus to finish. The pickup bar is played by the guitar before all the other instruments join on beat 1 of the bar, like this. From that point on, the intro then is a 5-bar sequence that goes around twice. The chords are a bar of A, a bar of E, a bar of D, a bar of A, and then another bar of A. So that's the 5 bars, and then that's repeated twice in the intro and also in the choruses. So I'm playing my A on the 5th fret of the E string, I'm playing my E at the 7th fret of the A string, and my D at the 5th fret of the A string. So giving us this useful 1, 5, 4 pattern of the scale. The same pattern of notes is played for each chord and is played throughout the entire song. There's some subtle variations which are played from time to time. The notes we're using are the chord tones of each chord. So we're playing the root, in the case of A, an A chord, then the 3rd, which is a C sharp in the case of the A chord, and then finally the 5th of the chord, which is an E. So those are the 3 notes in the chord. Root, 3rd, 5th, root, 3rd, 5th. And that's the same when we're on E and when we're on D. The pattern that it's playing is this. So we're playing on beat 1, a quarter note, and then we're missing beat 2 and we're playing on the and after 2, another root note there, and then we're playing on 3 and 4 and with the 3rd and the 5th of the chord. So it's like 1 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Then that pattern is repeated for every bar, for every chord as we move through it. So in other words, on the A to the E to the D, back to the A, and again. And the last bar effectively is acting as the pickup for the next sequence of 5 bars. So I'm going to quickly demonstrate a chorus or an intro, both are the same, with some drums, so you get a feel for how it sits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then we get to the bridge, which is a 9-bar sequence. So we've got 2 bars of D, and then 2 bars of A. But the second bar is actually an A7, but the same notes we're playing. And then we go back to 2 more bars of D. And then we've got 1 bar of B7, here at the 7th fret of the E string, and then 2 bars of E to finish with. And the final bar of E is acting as a pickup back into the chorus. So we're using exactly the same pattern of notes again. I will quickly demo the bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that pretty much gives you everything you need for the whole song. The only variations are sometimes in the final bar of the chorus going into the bridge. Instead of playing the full pattern, just play this. And I also tend to play that as well over the bar of A7, so the fourth bar of the bridge. So again, same chord, but so what we're doing is we're playing on the 1, the and after 1, and then literally on beats 3 and 4. So, and it just makes it feel different as we're moving into the different sections. The other thing occasionally I will do is instead of just playing one beat on the first beat, I'll play on the 1 and. So instead of, I'll play very subtle, but it just kind of mixes it up a bit and keeps it interesting. So that's pretty much everything you need to be able to play You're Wondering Now by the Specials in the key of A. I'll link to the Specials version here above the video so you can play along with it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and if you would like a PDF of the full tablature, the full arrangement of the song, if you buy me a coffee, see the link in the description below, I will email you the tab. Thank you for watching. Bye.